Hello, today's video is going to show you how to support Landmark School using Amazon Smile by doing the shopping that you're already doing on Amazon.com. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in smile.amazon.com into your URL. When you get to this page, you will either already be logged into your Amazon.com account or you will need to log into your account. Go over to your accounts and lists and click on accounts and lists. Don't just hover over it, make sure you click on it. And then as you scroll down under shopping programs and rentals, the fourth one down says change your charity. Once you're on the change your charity site, go to the box that says pick your own charitable organization and type in Landmark School. When you search for Landmark School, there may be more than one, so just make sure that you choose the Landmark School that's in Pride's Crossing, Massachusetts. Press select, and it will bring you to a page that says you have changed your charity to Landmark School. From now on, just make sure you shop not just at Amazon.com, but smile.amazon.com. It's the exact same site as Amazon, but whatever you buy from the site will automatically give a percentage of your items to Landmark School. You can click Shop Now, which will take you to the main shopping page for smile.amazon.com. And just so you don't have to remember in the future, go ahead and bookmark it in your browser. Now, some of you may be asking, well, what if I use my phone to do most of my shopping on Amazon? In the next tutorial, we will show you how to set this up on your cell phone or iPad.
Today we're going to talk about how to add Amazon Smile to your home screen on your iPhone or your iPad so you can be supporting Landmark School as you shop on Amazon.com. Now, if you happen to have the Amazon app, go ahead and delete it, and you're going to create a new shortcut to smile.amazon.com. Go ahead and load Safari. Make sure you're signed in to your smile.amazon.com account. Once you know that you're signed in, go to the bottom navigation bar on your screen and click the box with the arrow coming out of it. Once you've done that, you can go to Add to Home Screen, which is the plus sign. Click on that, and it will give you the icon, the picture it will show, and you can rename your app to just Amazon Smile. Hit Done, and then Add. And this will add it right to your home screen on your iPhone or your iPad.